so I would say in the future, if you do this type of work, a shorter session. This is one of the things we talk about, titration. When somebody has a response like that afterwards, it was just, more is not necessarily better. We want it to be in pieces that we can integrate and digest and assimilate and feel good in our body. So just for future reference, starting to get a sense of what your limits are. Okay, you know what this feels like? Because I was there with you in and out for parts of it. It was a very intense session yesterday. Spending more time and resource during a session. You know, the sky, all the resources that we had. So that would be a type of example where you would know that, okay, I'm somebody who needs to spend a lot of time and resource and connecting to my resource in sessions, and then touching into activation, but continually coming back to resource, not just spending time in letting my body do what it's doing.
Okay.
Make sense? That there needs to be more pendulation for you.
Also, the sound healing can be activating. Yeah, it's for some people who were already in this parasympathetic mode that brings them into deeper relaxation. But especially the gong, because it has such a wide range of sounds, from very basic to very high frequency sounds. That's why we love to use it, because it really hits every chakra, pretty much. So it can stimulate your body, to be more alert and awake.
And you've been going for 6 days straight. We have been going every day. Touch, breath, touch, breath, touch, plus all the other exercises we've been doing in between. It's been a big week.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
So give it time to settle. Use resources, like Prema said.